are a family-owned business. We are a family-owned business. We are excited to be here for our first year of vending. Our first
Damn, they're just gonna do that right in the middle of their talking.
I know.
That's pretty shady.
All right, you're good.
All right, we have a wide array of different items that are for sale at our vending booth inside the Class C vending. First off, we have Ohana, which is a fountain branded by Chingona. During this fountain, we'll be lighting off a couple other cakes as well. Our second item is Card Master 36 shot. That was 36 shot Card Master. Next up, we have Jack 49 shot. That was Jack 49 shot. And as you can still see, the Ohana fountain is still going on. That was the same fountain that we lit at the beginning of the demo. Next up, we have Princess Warrior 19 shot.
This is a nice one here. Princess Warrior.
That was
Yep.
Princess Warrior
That's a nice
19
cake.
shot. Next up, we have Devil Rider Motorcycle 43 shot. That was Devil Rider Motorcycle 43 shot. Next up, we have Crazy Fight 30 shot. That was Crazy Fight, 30 shot. Next up, we have number 6, Great America, 25 shot.
Nobody better to stop. Yeah, I do. No, you're not. Why are you dying? What's
That was
wrong?
Great America, 25 shot. Next up, we have Seattle Burning, 36 shot. That was Seattle Burning, 36 shot. Next up, we have We the People, 25 shot.
I've asked you, so don't give me a hard time. You know I'm at a firework thing.
That was We the People, 25 shot.
Because I've been
Next
busy.
up, we have Stairway to Heaven, 25 shot.
I got class from 8 a.m. to 5 tomorrow, so probably won't be calling you during the day at all. I'll call you on my What's that one?
I think it's We the People. It's nice.
That was Stairway to Heaven,
Stairway to
25
Heaven.
shot.
Yeah.
Next up, we have Red, White, and Blue to the Bone, 16 shot.
They're all nice kegs.
Oh, I want to see your cart. Oh, I want to see your cart. How's that?
That one didn't look good brakes though.
That was Red, White, and Blue to the Bone, 16 shot. Next up, we have Ace of Spade, 42 shot.
I want to see this one. Yeah, I want to see it. Oh yeah, it's got the Z effect. Hell yeah. Very nice. I'll be needing some of these. Very nice.
That was Ace of Spade, 42 shot. Next up, we have Plaka
gonna need me to
Vintage
taste
King,
them.
58 shot.
Yeah, that's nice. I like the timing on that. Let's do it, you know?
Yeah. Hell no.
You get some of those too?
No.
That was Plaka Vintage King 58 shot. Next up, we have the GOAT 108 shot.
That's the one I've been wanting to see.
Vintage King,
This one here, the goat.
the GOAT.
Yeah.
I want to see that Miss Me yet too. They see that smaller 500 gram. I'm sure that's nice too. It's like a mixture between the W and the V. Yeah. Good filler cake.
That was the GOAT 108 shot. Our last part of the night is Pirate King and Redemption. Pirate King is 6 shells, really loud noise, and Redemption is hard-hitting shell with beautiful color and effects. We will have 12 shells going up at the same time. That is Pirate King for the noise, Redemption for the noise and color.
Those fuckers bang.
All right, that was Pirate King for the noise and Redemption for the noise and color.
Be getting them
We want to thank you
shells.
guys again for coming and watching this. We are Lightning Family Fireworks out of Gary, Indiana. If you have any questions, you can talk to Rob, D, or Junior. We would be happy to help. And there are other family-friendly people at our stand as well who would be willing to help as well. And now we're going to shoot off a couple of things just to end the night. Everything that you see, even the show, will be available at our stand.
The fucking shells were popping. What were they
Yeah,
called?
the Pirate King one.
Pirate King. Woo! Yeah, them Pirate King shells were hot.
Yeah, you can get me some of them.
All right, everybody, we're going to move on to the second demo of the night. I'm Brian with Spirit of 76. I'm the retail